My name is Tyler Molman. I am a Petroleum Engineering student at Texas A&M, and I'm from Houston, Texas. So I work for a startup that the product is a lithium-ion energy storage system that serves as a backup power supply for buildings, homes, hospitals, and the typical day for us, since we're a very small shop, we have around 17 people. It can be dealing with anything from investors to market research to working with the engineering team. So the highlight of my internship was getting to work with the entire company. 2 chairs down from me, I was sitting next to the CEO, and behind me sat the CTO. I got to share my ideas with both of those people just as long as I had my ideas thought out and I was able to deliver them in a professional way.
Working with the intern group has been really nice. One of the problems we face here in Hong Kong is a lack of qualified manpower. It's very hard to find professionals, good professionals. And through the intern group, we have access to a wider audience, literally to all over the world. So through this way, we have been able to access, to count with highly skilled and energetic people, both engineering and business development professionals who can really help us, can leverage our development.
This internship has already helped me approach a few of the projects that I have going on back home in a better way. At the same time, being out here, you have to be able to work with many different cultures, and you have to work with a lot of different nationalities. So one of the biggest takeaways from this experience has been to learn to work with other people, to work in a setting that's not my home country, and try to make something happen.